Do you like reading, Helen?
Yes, I do. I like reading a lot. What about you? Do you like reading, Simon?
No. I don't like reading much. I prefer listening to music. I like listening to music on my phone. What about you? Do you like listening to music?
I like playing music better than listening to music on my phone. I play my guitar when I have time. My husband likes live music a lot. We both like going to concerts.
My wife likes going to concerts too. She prefers indoor concerts. She likes classical music a lot, but I prefer jazz and modern music.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes. I like watching movies. I watch movies on TV, and I go to the cinema once a month to watch new films.
I like going to the cinema too, but I don't go very often. It's too expensive for me.
How about eating out? Do you like going to restaurants?
I like eating out sometimes, but I prefer cooking at home. I'm a good cook.
We like eating at restaurants. My wife and I aren't good cooks at all.